Hello friends, myself Priyanka Dahiya, student of MSc Fruit Science. Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir for always helping me, whether it is related to academics or motivating me to prepare notes for the competitive exams. He is the only one who is always ready to provide important information to students for their bright future as much as he can. Thank you, sir, for giving your valuable time and valuable information for us. Let's begin. In this presentation, I will start with the definition of biodiversity, introduction, origin and evolution of banana and plantain, domestication and diversification, genus Incite, and geographical indication. Then area, production and productivity of banana in India, agroecological areas, varieties and importance of conservation in banana. So let us start the biodiversity of banana. So what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is also called biological diversity, the variety of life found in a place on earth, or often the total variety of life on earth. Now the introduction of banana. Its scientific name is Musa species, chromosome number 22, 33 or 44, fruit is berry type and edible portion is endocarp. Next heading is origin and evolution of banana and plantain. They were originated from South and Southeast Asia. Recent exploration discovered involvement of Pacific islands, especially New Guinea. Extent of diversity witnessed for AA diploids, especially for plantain diploids, led to rewriting of Musa evolution theory. This table shows the different genus, their chromosome number, distribution, selected species and the uses. Let us start with the Incite genus. Its chromosome number is 9. Its distribution is in Africa, Guinea and India. The species are Incite superbium. Its use as a fiber. Next is the Incite glaucum, which is used for the vegetable purpose. Next is Musa genus, chromosome number 10, and under chromosome number 10 they are Australimusa and Calimusa. Australimusa, its distribution is in Queensland and New Caledonia. The species are Musa textilis, used for fiber purpose. It is most often asked in the exam. Next is Musa maculae, used for the fruit and vegetable purpose. Next is Calimusa, which is distributed in Indochina, and the species is Musa coccinea, used for the ornamental purpose. It is also very important regarding the exams. Next is chromosome number 11, E. Musa. Its distribution is in India. Musa acuminata, used for the fruit purpose. So the next is domestication and diversification. In the Musa family, general Incite, and among the four major sections, only E. Musa and Australimusa members have edibility and thus domestication over several forms. The man cultivated the seeded non-edible wild forms of members of Musaceae, especially genera Incite. A parallel evolutionary development was witnessed with respect to Musa balbisiana, where seeded species developed into soft-seeded like Bhimkol of India, parthenocarpic diploid BB like Abuhon. Both seeded and parthenocarpic diploid balbisiana freely hybridized with Musa acuminata to evolve diverse forms of B genomic clones like AB, AAB, ABB, ABBB, etc. Next heading is agroecologies in areas of Musa diversity in India. Wild Musa species are largely distributed in tropical rainforest and wet evergreen forest to moist deciduous forest of low rainfall areas. The temperature ranges from 8 to 15 degrees Celsius. It is minimum to 30 to 35, it is maximum, and average between 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. March April are the hottest months, while November January are the coldest months. Rainfall is well distributed throughout the year except for Feb to April. Genus Insitae. Insitae species in Africa are considered as the tree of the poor, since it is substituted for food, and it is also referred as tree against hunger. Originally a tropical species, it enjoys heat and moisture tolerance but has diversified its acclimatization to dry, rocky and moist regions. In India, genus Insitae has two species. This is the GI logo, and its slogan is Invaluable Treasures of Incredible India. GI tag. A geographical indication is a name or sign used on certain products which corresponds to a specific geographical location or origin. The use of GI may act as certification that the product possesses certain qualities or enjoys a certain reputation, essentially attributable to their geographical origin. A geographical indication registry with all India jurisdictions operate as per the Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. A total of 193 products were registered under GI tag up to March 31st, 2013. These are the varieties which got the GI tag. Kamlapur red banana in the state of Karnataka, Virupakshi hill banana in the state of Tamil Nadu, and Shirumalai hill banana in the state of Tamil Nadu. Now the next heading is area, production and productivity of banana in India. The source is UNCTAD FAO Statistics 2016. At this table shows in different year, area, production and productivity. It is mandatory to take production in tons and productivity in ton per hectare. So let us talk about 2012 and 13. The area was 776 and the production was 26509.10 and the productivity was 34.16. In 2013-14 it increases to 802.80 and the production also increases to 2971.90 and the productivity also increases to 37. In 2014-15 the area also increases 822 but the production decreases little bit 29221.00 and the productivity also decreases 35.56. In 2015-16 the area increases to 846 but production decreases to 29124.00 and the productivity also decreases to 34.42. Now let us start the varieties. First of all, I will discuss with a very important variety, dwarf Cavendish, and its genomic number is AAA and it is most often asked in the exam. It is a popular commercial cultivar grown extensively for table and processing purpose in the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Bihar and West Bengal. It is also popular in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Basrai is the leading commercial variety of Cavendish group and is a leading commercial variety of Maharashtra. The plant stature is dwarf, making it less prone to the wind damage. This picture shows the variety dwarf Cavendish. So next variety is Robusta. Its genomic number is AAA. It is a semi-tall variety grown mostly in Tamil Nadu and some parts of Karnataka for table purpose. Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, it is highly yielding and produces bunch of large size with well developed fruits, as its name indicates. Robusta means the bunch is of larger size. Robusta is highly susceptible to Sigatoka leaf spot disease in the humid tropics. Actually, this Sigatoka leaf spot disease is very much occurring frequently in the humid tropics, and it damages the crop badly. This picture shows how this variety looks. Rasthali, it belongs to silk group and the genomic number is AAB. It is a medium tall variety commercially grown in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka and Bihar. Its unique fruit quality has made Rasthali very popular and highly prized cultivar for table purpose. Puvam belongs to Mysore group and genomic number is AAB. It is a leading commercial cultivar grown throughout the country with location specific ecotypes like Palayan cotton in Kerala, Puvam in Tamil Nadu, but is highly susceptible to banana bract mosaic virus and the banana streak virus. The first image is of Rasthali variety and second is of Puvam. Nandren, its genomic number is AAB. It is a popular variety in Kerala where it is realized as a fruit as well as used for processing purpose. Nandren is highly susceptible to banana bract mosaic virus, nematodes and borers. Red banana, it is a most realized and highly prized variety of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. It is highly susceptible to bunchy top, fusarium wilt and nematodes. So next heading is importance of banana conservation. Recent banana projects have demonstrated a growing demand for increased diversity of cultivar, improved varieties, not only within the research and breeding community but also among smallholder farmers and farmer market systems. Conservation of banana genetic resources is together with the other root and tubers also subject of theme 1, conserving and assessing genetic resources of the CGIAR research program on roots, tubers and bananas. Theme 1's overall objective is to build upon the existing competencies of the 4 CGIAR centers involved in the clonal crop conservation to implement global conservation strategies for the RTB crop in close collaboration with the Global Crop Diversity Trust and regional and national gene banks. When the objective is solely to conserve the genes but not specific combination of genes, true seeds can be used instead. As long as seeds are produced, seeds can probably also be conserved with cryo techniques. Genes can also be maintained for further use in the form of DNA banks or lyophilized leaves or cryopreserved pollens. Now, the different conservation methods. Vegetative methods are the best and the most widely used methods of banana conservation. Germplasm can be maintained as vegetatively maintained genotype in fields or greenhouses, field banks, in tissue culture or via cryopreservation in vitro. So now at last question answers. So the first question is chromosome number of banana is 22, 33 or 44. Origin of banana, it is New Guinea. Basic chromosome number of Australimusa, it is 10. Musa coccinea, it is used for ornamental purpose. Which genus is known as tree of the poor? It is Incite. Genome of the dwarf Cavendish, it is AAA.